Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Chaitanya Manava, and today I'll be presenting my project titled Order Management System. Let's connect to the database first. Let's open the SQL Server Manager. Yeah, let's connect this. So this is my server name, Keymanava1, uh, and I'll show you my database tables, which should be right here. Yeah. I used two of the tables in the project, the orders and the users table. So, yeah. So first, let's go to the technologies, whatever is used. And before that, I'd like to discuss about the objective, the goal of the project. The goal of this project is to simplify order management for businesses while demonstrating the use of modern web development technologies. The project is a web-based application that allows businesses to manage orders effectively. The system is designed to handle key operations like adding, editing, deleting, and visualizing orders in a user-friendly interface. The technologies used here are ASP.NET Core Razor pages and SQL Server for the server, which the data is stored for the database backend, and Bootstrap 5 for a polished and like responsive front-end design, and chart.js for creating dynamic visualization. So the backend implementation, let's go to the backend implementation. The backend implementation is built using ASP.NET Core Razor page. This is my project name. Here goes. The project name is my last name and the first name. So basically, I used CRUD operations, create, read, update, and delete, so that it is user friendly to manipulate the data and add it to the database directly. So wait, the backend is in the index .html, where it should be in the orders. Yeah. Here goes the index.cs.html, index.cs.html.css file, where the backend is actually here. So I took load orders on get. You get the details of the users, whoever ordered a certain thing with so and so amount. So on get gives you the details. On post create, this allows you to add the details of a user or customer who's trying to add, or you want to add a person. The data which will be shown as insert into orders, user ID, order amount, and order date, which are taken from the database, or which will go to the database in the same manner. The parameters are user ID and order amount. These two parameters are being taken considered when adding a user detail. So the next one is the on post edit. On post edit allows you to edit the order and manipulate it by changing its amount or changing the person's name or something. This allows you to edit the whatever is the existing details you're having. It can be edited in that. So yeah, it's the same calls goes to load order and load users and load chart data. The on post update gives you the updated result of whatever is there. To update, this is taken into consideration with the user ID and order amount as well, where order ID is order ID. This statement goes works in the backend, which is a string query actually. So. it updates you the data and redirects you to the page, and basically it refreshes the page. Uh, on post delete, this function allows you to delete a user which is already existing in the database. But suppose an order might get cancelled, so you want it out of your database, and then this can be done like clicking in a button where the order ID is deleted. So that is basically the backend which I used, and for the chart data, I used for the database as a reference, and get total orders is taking into consideration for to know what is the total orders received, and I also calculated the average amount, so that the queries which are showing will not be saved in the database, but I can show them in the website. uh, this calculates the average order whenever there is a order implementing in the database. Whenever there's an accumulation of the database, this value changes. So this is connected directly to the database. Total order amount is the total order amount, or the total like money, how much ever the website, the particular website is having, how much ever the website is making through the orders. This can be seen in the total order amounts. This section is for orders per user. Orders per user mentions like how many orders is the what like the product is is it a repetitive order, or how is the data shown when the order is like placed multiple times. This gives you a graphical bar graph where the results are compared. So, oh, yeah, that's about the backend I used. Basically, it's a very prototypic web page because it is with the .NET, and I couldn't use much. I wanted to include more my API, but I didn't have much time, so I'm managing with these. So let's go to the front end. I'll just host the layout page. So this is the home page which I used. I basically this is the layout page. After clicking the orders page, it will redirect to the order management system, where I've put a little trouble into doing this styling as well. The initial UI looked very basic. I used Bootstrap 5 to enhance the design and make it more interactive. Uh, Yeah. So this is total orders. This is average orders amount by the this is coming from wherever the database is present, and this is the total order amount. So these are the customers I've uploaded in the database. Like these are the customers, and this bar and this graph shows you how much the order count is. So when you put a cursor on it, it will show you the count, order count, where you go. Working fine. Yeah, this orders per user. This will give you a not graphical way of representation, but a numerical way of representing the users. So here you can update, delete, or do whatever CRUD. So the CRUD operations can be done here. Here, let's consider adding a user amount like Jane Smith. It says here Jane Smith has 200 and 275 and 300. Let's do 400. 400, and the Jane Smith already has three order count here. So I'm going to put click on add order. Oh, I'm sorry. As long as when we click add order after doing that, the total orders increase, and it also shows in the numerical table as well. So even in the graphical table, when we put a cursor in, so it gets updated at the last because it's the most recent entity we used here. So let's try editing it. So let's try editing it to 300, let's say 105, and update it. See the value changes to the $105 when you click edit. So those are the CRUD operations till now.